May kakilala ba kayong naging successful sa online selling? Nagkaroon ng bahay at lupa, investments, at iba pa dahil sa e-commerce? Nakaka-inspire, di ba? So you thought, subukan ko kayang mag-online selling. Bakit hindi? Pero bago magawin yan, panoorin mo ang video na ito because today I'm going to share with you tips, things you need to know bago pasukin ang online selling business. Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is your Yo Mama Betchay. I'm an e-commerce professional and I make videos about online selling, business tips and tricks, business ideas, mga video tutorials. So give some love, please subscribe if you haven't yet. Isa ka ba sa gustong simulan ang pag-online selling? Because ang topic natin today is for you. So before we jump in sa mga tips on things you need to know bago simulan ang iyong online selling journey, thumbs up this video, share away with your friends and family na gustong mag-online selling, and I hope na makatulong ang video na ito. So let's go hop right into our tip number 1. Our tip number 1 is choose a platform to sell your products. So ano yung mga platforms na pwede nating gamitin para maibenta yung ating products online? The top selling platforms na meron tayo sa Pilipinas are the following. We have Lazada, TikTok, Shopee, and then meron din naman tayong mga local na platform katulad ng Prosperna. You can also sell sa Facebook and also sa Zalora at marami pang iba. Marami sa ating mga viewers at yung mga pumapasok sa online selling, ang ginagawa ay nagsasign up kaagad sa mga platforms without checking kung available nga ba sa area nila ito. So kung ano man, kung saan man ikaw sa Pilipinas. So it's best to choose and select a platform na pwede mong gamitin according sa area mo. Our tip number 2 is decide which platform you are going to use. Let's say, available nga yung lahat ng platforms sa area mo. Kailangan mo bang mag-sign up sa lahat? Ang sagot po dyan is yes and no. Yes, kung ikaw ay may experience na sa e-commerce, you have the capacity and the staff to manage different platforms, then mag-sign up ka sa lahat ng platforms available. A perfect example no is I have a friend selling in Amazon US and this time she want to scale up yung kanyang online business here in the Philippines. So my recommendation to her is sign up with all the platforms. Kasi guys, may foundation na siya sa e-commerce eh. So yung transition niya from selling internationally to locally ay mas madali na lamang. Pero no, hindi mo kailangang mag-sign up sa lahat ng platforms kung ikaw ay baguhan, hindi tech savvy, but have the willingness to learn, you have your goals. I highly suggest that you start selling your products with one platform muna. So mamili ka. Sa TikTok ba, sa Shopee ba, o sa Lazada ba? Then, stick to that platform, pag-aralan mo, you master it. Kapag may mastery ka na, gamay mo na yung isang platform na yan that you decided joining, then after a year or 2 or maybe 6 months, depende sa level ng grasp of learning mo, you may sign up with the rest of the platforms available. Number 3. Learn how much do each platform cost. Guys, madami sa mga online seller groups, kung member kayo ng mga Facebook online seller groups, no? Pagdating ng payout, ay gulat na gulat sila dahil wala na silang kinita. Bakit? Dahil madami daw kaltas. While free ang pag-sign up sa mga platforms na ito na nabanggit ko sa video na ito, you have to take note na yung mga fees involved in using these platforms. So may commissions, may marketing fees, may payment fees, at marami pang iba. So, anong gagawin para walang gulatan na nangyayari? You need to learn how much each platform costs. So, ilang percent ang commissions, ilang percent ang payment fee, ilang percent ang marketing fees, at marami pang iba. Para at the end of the day, walang gulatan, pagka-receive mo ng payout, ay may kikitain ka pa din. So learning how much each platform cost will also give you idea and start your pricing strategy. We are down to our tip number 4, that is to set a healthy e-commerce margin. So ano nga ba yung margins? I-define natin later on kung ano nga ba yung margins. Balikan natin yung mga econ subject natin ng college. Dahil guys, marami sa mga nagsisimulang mag-online selling, nagrereklamo, wala na daw kinikita, because for one, you are not able to set a margin sa products mo. 'Di ba? Kaya nga tayo nagbebenta online dahil ang goal natin is to earn money. So maraming definition ang margins, but let me simplify by defining margins as difference nung price nung product mo and yung cost of selling, or if you are making your product, yung cost ng paggawa ng product na yon is what we also call margins. And sa business world guys, ang margin daw po, again, is the difference between the product at which a product is sold and the costs associated with making, that is kung ginagawa mo yung product mo, or selling the product, or cost of goods sold. So medyo madugo yung definition ng margins in economic terms or sa business terms, pero to simplify, ang margins ay difference nung price nung product mo and yung cost of selling or making your product. Okay, so a perfect example guys, ito sa ating screen, as you can see, ito yung Sunny Sticks Drain Cleaner. So kung nakasubaybay kayo sa aking channel, alam nyo na in 2015, isa ito sa aking mga winning product. So, to check on the margins or to set the margins, ganito lang po yan. So for example, nakuha ko itong Sunny Sticks na drain cleaner for only 50 pesos and ibebenta ko siya ng 100 pesos. So yung gross margin niya ay 50%. So yung pag-measure po ng gross margin is in percentage. Now, ano yung gross profit? Kung i-compute natin dyan, 50 pesos, binenta ko siya ng 100 pesos, then ang gross profit ko ay 50 pesos. Okay? So sana malinaw. Ang gross profit naman po, ang measurement ng gross profit is by numbers. So yun lang ang difference niya. Gross margin measured by percentage, 50%. Gross profit is measured by numbers, which is 50 pesos. So sa basic lang muna tayo guys ha, because it will take so much time discussing yung COGS or yung cost of goods sold, profit margin, net profit margin, and total expenses. So what I'm telling you here is this, na bago kayo magsimulang ibenta yung inyong mga products, bago nyo i-post kung magkano nyo ibebenta, make sure that you allocate a healthy margin sa inyong mga products. Para pagdating ng payout, you get the actual amount of profit or kita in your pocket or sa inyong bank account. So tatanungin niyo, Mama Betchay, ilang percentage po ang healthy margins? Now, this time you need to do balancing act kasi it may vary depende sa products na binibenta mo tsaka yung demand niya. Kasi sa totoo lang guys, I'd like to be honest, itong Sunny Sticks na to, in 2015, nakuha ko lang siya ng 20 pesos per pad and I was able to sell it at a price ng 250 pesos. So imagine nyo gaano kalaki ang aking gross margin percentage dito sa product na ito. So, that time, hindi na ako nag-worry about any return, any refund, any fees na ikakalta sa akin because for that alone, kitang-kita na talaga. Malaki yung profit na kinuha ko dito sa product na ito. Now, sa e-commerce, ang healthy na profit margin is 20% is actually good. Kung 10% nasa average siya, but kung ang inyong margin ay nasa 5%, I'd say na this is very thin for your online store, lalong-lalo na kung ang platform na sinalihan mo ay maraming mga fees na ikakaltas. Okay? My last tip for you, but not the least, of course, is to learn the basics of marketing. In today's e-commerce scene where yung competition is getting fiercer, gone are the days na po where we are too dependent sa platforms na sinalihan natin when it comes in marketing your products. So kung gusto mong magbenta online this time of the year or sa susunod pa na mga taon, number one thing that you also need to do is to learn the basics of marketing. Kasi ano-ano nga ba yung mga marketing strategy that you want to apply sa iyong pagbebenta online? So take advantage of the technology kasi every resources naman can be found online. So it's up to you kung masipag kang mag-research, magbasa, gusto mong matuto. And if you'd ask me again, why is marketing important and why did I include this in our topic today? Because bilang isa sa mga naunang nagbebenta online, in 2012 guys, nagbebenta na ako. Kung dati ang customers muna ang lalapit sa iyo to buy your products, ang customers mo yung pupunta sa iyong Lazada store para i-click yung buy button dyan. Ngayon, you need to reach out to your customers and get the potential buyers through marketing. These 5 tips sana nakatulong sa inyo because I know na maraming mga e-commerce gurus flaunting their 6-digit, 7-digit sales without telling you or sharing with you how did they reach their success, and kung mag-share man, they don't really share kung magkano nga ba ang kanilang net profit out of the 7-digit income na sinasabi nila. And may these 5 tips also guide you bago ka magsimula sa iyong online selling. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and I will see you on the next one.